Just a minute.
Okay, Vertical Explorer company is made for us a very nice track in the Skarda region. It was very great, but it was difficult for us. Was big altitude, 4,825 meters, but its guide was great. He has a lot of experience to traveling in the high mountains. The porters was very strong and very friendly. He helped us very much, but we are do it and we are happy because it's so high level for the people who is not from the Pakistan. This very good for us, and we do it together because we are family. We are just first team. We have a job together and we have a rest together. It's very nice.